Hi, I'm Walt Johnson, the CTO of Inertial Sense. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the GPX-1. In challenging environments, precision isn't optional, it's essential. That's why the GPX-1 features a multi-band GNSS receiver, combining the best in reliability and accuracy. With support for L1 and L5 frequency bands, the GPX-1 significantly reduces multi-path effects. This ensures your position stays accurate even in urban canyons or obstructed areas. Multi-constellation capability, including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BeiDou, provide robust coverage worldwide. Applications like ground surveys and drone navigation benefit from uninterrupted performance in any environment. The result? More reliable navigation, better system performance, and fewer headaches for you. Discover how the GPX-1 can redefine navigation in your project. Request a demo today, and let's build something incredible together.